Hi guys,
Hi.
My name is Nell and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm here with Hanna and we have created this makeup look with products from our new makeup line, NKD Beauty.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Hanna and I have designed my own clothing collection together with NKD, and we are here today in New York to do the shoot of the collection. So this is the makeup look we are creating today.
So I already have foundation, concealer and powder on, so I'm gonna jump right into the eyes now. And we'll start with this black eye pencil. And the look I'm doing is a smudge eyeliner kind of look. So that's why I think it's really nice to start with a pencil. So I'm just roughly put this through her lash line and wing it out.
Will you be using the eyeliner too?
Yes, I will in the end to make it more black. And now I'm using a brush just to blend it out. And now I will use our new eyeshadow palette. I really like this palette.
Ooh, the colors are stunning.
Yes, it has the perfect like everyday colors, and you can also have like more if you want more like glam, heavy makeup, and we have some like glitter ones. And now I'm gonna use this colored caramel on the lash line, and I will put this color over the black liner. And then I take a fluffy brush to smooth it out. And then I will take the black color and I will put this over where I put the black liner. And now I'm taking the same brush that I used with the color caramel to blend it again. I really like to go back and forth with the colors. I really like blend them together. And now I will use the color copper and put in her crease. Okay, now I will use this color cocoa, and I will also put this over the eyeliner. And I'm focusing a little bit more in the outer corner because we want that cat eye effect.
Ooh, I like that.
Good. Okay, and I will use this fluffy brush to blend it again. And now I will use the color sand. And a little bit more in the inner corner and a little bit over the lid. And also like up here under the eyebrows to give some highlight. But what's your favorite look, like makeup look to wear?
I actually love like a light makeup.
Yeah.
And then just like make it a little dark in the crease and a little wing.
Yeah, do you like the cat eye effect?
Yeah, I do. I always, like my everyday makeup, I always do a smoky eyeliner.
Yeah. Now I will use the color cocoa again, but now we're gonna do on the bottom lash line. Then I will take a brush to blend it out. Now I will use the black pencil again, and I will use it in her upper waterline and lower waterline. So now I'm just making it a little bit darker here with the color cocoa, just so we get a little bit more like intense look.
Always blending.
Yes, that's the key. Okay, now I will use our eyeliner. This is like the perfect and easiest way to apply eyeliner, I think.
It's waterproof.
It's waterproof, yes.
It's waterproof.
Yes, it is. And I'm just gonna use this like through the lash line.
All the way?
Yes, but it's just to get like a little bit more like black. Something like that. Okay, now we applied some lashes and mascara. And now I'm gonna put this color Pearl in the inner corner. And this will make the eyes pop more and look a little bit more like open. Time for brows, and I'm gonna use our brow pen. This is in color medium brown.
Nice.
And it looks like this. So I think it's super easy to do brows with these pens. And I just do small strokes through the eyebrow. I want the fluffy effect. And Hanna has like the perfect eyebrows to do this look.
Ooh, thank you. How many colors do you have it in?
We have 4.
4.
We have blonde, brown, medium brown, and dark brown.
Nice.
And now I will use the colored eyebrow gel in color brown. I like to use colored eyebrow gel because like you color the brows as well. So it makes the brows look more fluffy.
I love that too. I always use it.
Yeah. And time for lips. And I will use this lip liner in color Luna. This is a more like brown color, which I like.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. So I used the lip liner in color Luna, and now I'm gonna have the liquid lipstick in Ivy.
It smells good.
I know, I love the smell. Now it's time for contour and highlight. So we have this gorgeous kit. So we have 2 contour colors, one more colder, one a little bit warmer, and then 2 shimmery highlights.
Do you have this kit in more colors?
Yes, it comes in one more lighter, which is this one, and one more a little bit darker. So I apply it under here, under the jawline, and up in the forehead. And then I will use the shimmer highlights. Okay, the look is done. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Good.
Nell is the best.
Oh. We hope you like this tutorial and that you will love the Naked Beauty products as much as we do. And you can find all the info about our new makeup products down below.
Go check it out.
Bye!
Jo,
Cow.
hur heter
Nej, kakao!
på engelska?
Nej men kokao.
Vänta, vad står det?
Kokao.
Vilken är du på?
Den mörkbruna.
Cow.
Nej,
Vad var det?
cow. Nej.